So I finally got this running. Turns out the problem was the magneto is pretty rusty. Oh man, this thing's hot. So I have a problem. I had installed the new carburetor. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a shiny little thing right there, because it's a new carburetor and all. Good. Oh man, the gas leak is worse than I thought. It's still going on. That can't be good. Well, you heard me. There's a gas leak. I have a problem here. Actually, I can start it up and show you. Hopefully the battery's not dead. I don't have it set to charge. So let's put in. Now you see, the problem is I have to choke it because I'm pretty sure, I think there's a problem with the governor, or it's just running way too high. If I release the choke, it revs way past what it should. And another problem is the throttle isn't doing anything. Yeah, if you can help me, that'd be good.